Make a great choice today with the 2010 Camaro. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, rear wheel drive. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, OnStar, cruise control, cup holders, console, floor mats, compass. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.